The clip secures your small engine's fuel lines. It secures the fuel lines to the nipples on the carburetor, fuel filter, etc. The clip can weaken over time. It can be lost or accidentally thrown away when the fuel lines are replaced. Installing a new clip is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The clip is used to secure the fuel lines in several locations on your small engine. In this demonstration, we'll show you how to replace the clip on the fuel filter. I'll start by removing the gas cap, and now I'll remove the fuel filter from the tank. The clip fits over the fuel line and secures the filter to the fuel line. I'll remove the fuel filter from the fuel line, and now I can remove the clip. Now I'll place the new clip over the fuel line, and I'll hold it about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the line as I insert the fuel filter. And that's all it takes. I'll reinsert the fuel filter into the fuel tank and reinstall the gas cap. And that's how simple it is to replace the fuel line clips on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up